Hey Alice, how's it going?
I'm doing well, David. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. So today we have something fun. We're going to learn how to talk about yourself in English.
That's right. Talking about yourself is one of the most important things you need to know in any language, and it's super helpful when you're meeting new people.
Exactly. So let's start with something simple. When you meet someone for the first time, they usually ask, "What's your name?" Or, "Can you tell me a little about yourself?"
And when they ask you that, you can respond with, "My name is Alice," or "I'm Alice." It's really simple, right?
Yes, exactly. Now let's go a little deeper. If someone asks where you're from, you can say, "I'm from," your country or city. For example, "I'm from Cairo."
That's a great way to start a conversation. You can also talk about your job or what you do. For example, "I'm a veterinarian," or "I work as a teacher."
Perfect. So now let's try. If I ask you, "Tell me a little about yourself," how would you answer, Alice?
I'd say, "I'm Alice, and I'm from Istanbul. I work as a content creator and love learning new languages."
Great job, Alice. You kept it simple and clear. Now let's practice another question. If someone asks you, "What are your hobbies?" you can say, "I like," your hobby. For example, "I like reading," or "I like swimming."
Exactly, and it's a great way to connect with people who share the same interests. You can say, "I love playing video games," or "I enjoy cooking."
That's right. And don't forget, you can always ask the other person about themselves. You could say, "How about you?" or "What about you?"
That's a great way to keep the conversation going. You could also say, "Tell me more about yourself," to show interest.
Now that we've learned how to introduce yourself and talk about your hobbies and job, let's quickly review. When someone asks about you, you can say, "My name is," your name. "I'm from," your place. "I work as," your job. "I like," your hobby.
Exactly. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will be to talk about yourself confidently in English.
Exactly. So, we want to hear from you. In the comments, tell us about yourself. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you like to do?
We can't wait to learn more about you. Thanks for watching today's lesson, and don't forget to practice what you learned.
That's right. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
Take care and have a great day.